April 23rd, 2025. A 6.2 magnitude earthquake strikes the Sea of Marmara. Panic spreads across Istanbul. Over 230 people injured, hundreds of buildings damaged. But the bigger shock? Istanbul's unpreparedness. Assembly zones, missing or unknown. People flee into the streets with nowhere safe to go. Communication. Mobile networks collapse when they are needed most. Families unable to reach each other. Emergency crews left in the dark. Traffic paralyzed. Highways turn into parking lots. No evacuation routes. No traffic control. Housing, 1.3 million units at risk. Nearly 250,000 urgently need reinforcement, but they still stand. Education, lacking. People don't know how to respond. No drills, no clear safety protocols. Authorities, academics, and media give mixed signals. Misinformation spreads fast. Experts warn a major quake will come. Istanbul is not ready.